In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Authenticator to Crypto.com. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication on your Crypto.com account. So this will make it so every time that you sign into your account, another verification will be required. So you will get a notification on another application or an email address, for example. You will have to confirm that it is you attempting to sign in, and then your account will be unlocked. So to manage this, open the app and go into your profile and settings. Inside of your profile and settings page, go into the security category. Inside of security, you will find a bunch of options, including two-factor authentication. So this is where you will be able to set it up through the mobile app. Choose this option, and in here you will have the option to enable or disable it. As an extra measure, you are required to enable two-factor authentication for withdrawals and whitelisting wallet addresses. So choose the option to enable it and proceed here. You will enter your passcode, and once this has been confirmed, they will ask you to install one application of your choice. They recommend Google Authenticator and Alvi. Any of these will do. You can pick whichever one you prefer. The basic idea is that you will be scanning this QR code or copying the code that is displayed here to add your wallet account into that specific authenticator. That way, whenever you sign into this account, a notification will go to that authenticator app and you will be able to get this done. Because a bunch of different authenticators exist, I won't be able to showcase a single one as an example in this video, but the process is very equal. You just open the authenticator, tap the plus sign, and choose the option to add your account using this QR code or this wallet address here. Once you have it added and you proceed to verify, it is going to be tested, so you will have to enter the two-factor authentication code that was sent to that specific application like Google Authenticator. And with this done, if you enter the correct two-factor authenticator code, it will be active and set up on your Crypto.com account. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Authenticator to Crypto.com. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.